Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and we're opening up the two brand new castings from the 2020 PK, so let's get straight into it. First up, it's the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Check it out in that really nice gold color. Let's get it off the card. It is car 1 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series. Smash a big thumbs up for this one. Take a look at those wheels, MC5 wheels in chrome, got the tinted windows, black interior, got details on the rear there as well as headlight details and the Ford grille on the front, very, very nice. Got a black base, cool car. Let me know what you think of this guy in the comments below. Now, if you're not already, make sure you are a subscriber to the Hot Wheels Garage so you don't miss any of the brand new castings. This one here, the Porsche 914 Safari in the Nightburner series, car 4 of 10 there. Take a look, very, very cool. Let's get it off the card, that nice yellow color. We've got Baja 5 wheels on this one. Look at those, nice little bit of chrome on there. Got that tinted window, black interior, got a black base there. Big nice rally lights at the front. We've got a number 5 on there for the decals. We've got the Porsche on the side, Hot Wheels. Pretty cool looking car. I think this one's going to go pretty well on the track. Take a look at those little mud flaps on the side there. Pretty cool little feature. Let me know what you think of this Porsche 914 Safari in the comments below.